that in the toilet. Try it. And then in order to measure it, you're going to want to leave it on a flat surface and get an eye level. So that would be 350 mLs. So you're going to remember that number. Take this, pour it down the toilet, rinse, pour the rinse down the toilet, dry, trash, designated dirty supply area. Go ahead, take off your gloves, wash your hands, and then you can document, and you can put 350 mLs. And skills complete.